Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for air sign Gemini for the month of November. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Gemini, let's see your messages. Your first card. Four of Wands, wow. Three of Cups. King of Wands. You both are in union, definitely. There is love between both of you. Three of Cups, celebration. You are celebrating your love life, definitely, because Four of Wands with Three of Cups. You both could be twin flames also, 11 and 11. And King of Wands. Definitely your person is very passionate about you, or you could be passionate about your person a lot. There is a lot of passion, King of Wands. Wow, very, very positive start, Gemini. So let's see some more. Eight of Cups. What happened? The Emperor. The Death. I think in past it is okay, but right now, Eight of Cups with the Emperor and the Death. Something, one person in this connection is walked away for some, definitely. The Emperor, one person in this connection is very committed, loyal and honest. And that the one person in this connection could be undergoing some transformation. So, definitely there is separation for some. You or your person could be walked away. One person in this connection putting a lot of effort than the other person. There is no balance. There is no equal give and take. But some transformation is going. So let's see. The World. Okay. King of Pentacles. Two of Cups. The World. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different countries, different cities, different states. And King of Pentacles. Definitely some commitment is coming. One person want to offer stability to this connection because there is a lot of love and there is no equal love between both of you. Two of Cups. Definitely there is equal love. You both love each other. But someone is walked away in this connection. For what reason? Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. So let's see some more. Knight of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. Yeah, there is no equal give and take in this connection. That's why one person is walked away. There is love, but there is no equal give and take. When there is equal give and take, everything is okay, but there is no equal give and take. It is become very burden to continue in that relationship for that person who put a lot of effort in that connection. Because Knight of Pentacles is very slow moving energy and Two of Pentacles something juggling and Six of Pentacles, yeah, there is no equal give and take in this connection. So the person walked away in this connection, let's see. We will get clarity in. Definitely one person is juggling in this connection. And Knight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. Yeah, they are coming with stable offer but very, very slow moving energy. Yeah, so let's see who that person. And let's see your person current feelings and actions towards you. Gemini, your person current feelings. Three of Swords. Knight of Wands. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, they are very passionate about you. Right now they are very heartbroken. They are trying to stand by themselves. Nine of Pentacles. They want to stand by their power. They want to be independent emotionally and financially also. After the heartbreak, definitely. I think the one person, let's see some more, then we will get clarity. Your person near future actions towards you. Okay, these two cards. Hangman. Knight of Pentacles. King of Cups. I think the one person who walked away in this connection is you, Gemini. Because you're putting a lot of effort in this connection. Because Knight of Pentacles with King of Cups already in this reading before. So your person want to come towards you Knight of Pentacles with King of Cups. Yeah, they want to offer stability. Before King of Pentacles, it was, yeah, they have emotions for you and they want to offer stability to this connection right now. And your person also undergoing some spiritual awakening. The Hangman is here. They are very passionate about you. Before coming to you, they want to be like this. After their healing and they're working on their self, definitely they will come towards you, because right now they are working on self. The Hangman with Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, they will come towards you, but it is very slow moving energy. You have to be patient if you are waiting for your person, Gemini. So the one person who putting a lot of effort in this connection is you. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. Because Six of Pentacles is here, there is no equal give and take. But Two of Cups is here. You both love each other but not putting equal effort. So let's see. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. The Hermit. High Priestess. Six of Swords. And okay, 10 of Swords. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, definitely there are some cycles going to be end between both of you. 10 of Swords. I think you or your person feeling like this with all this energy and with all this drama. Yeah, Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship. Your person want to put effort to things, to get things right between both of you. Definitely Six of Swords, communication, and High Priestess and Hermit. Definitely this connection right now in near future, no contact for some, because your person is working on their self and you walked away. Definitely there is no contact, there is no movement in this connection, because 10 of Swords with the Hermit. Definitely you both are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You both are trusting your intuition. I think your person may be trusting your intuition a lot. They're trusting their self. And Six of Swords, this could be long distance relationship. You both want to move towards calm water. So yeah, if you want waiting for your person, definitely they will come towards you, but it will take time, because right now the Hermit is also in the connection cards. Definitely they will come, but it is very slow moving energy, because you both are working on yourself. Especially your person is working on their self, because 9 of Pentacles with the Hangman. So let's see your overall energy, Gemini, for the month of November. Okay, last card. The Empress. Wow. 4 of Swords and 2 of Swords. Yeah, you are at some confusion state, even though you walked away from your person. But after the confusion state, you will get clarity, because after spiritual, you are thinking about your person a lot, because 4 of Swords. You are taking your own time. You are doing meditation, whatever. 4 of Swords, taking rest. After you will like this. You stand by your power, the Empress. The Empress is here. Gemini. So let's see your person overall energy for the month of November. 5 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Pentacles. Yeah, your person maybe I already told you they are working on their self. Definitely they are concentrating on their career right now. For some your person want to working on your relationship, but it will take time, because they will undergoing some spiritual awakening. For some, if your person working on their career, definitely they will get success there, because 8 Pentacles, 9 Pentacles and 10. Definitely they will success in career wise. And 5 of Wands, definitely there are some disturbances still going on between both of you. This is cold war between both of you. You both love each other and you both hate each other. This is love and hate situation between both of you, Gemini. I am getting you both want this connection, still you both ready to walk away if it is not so. For some, your person want to work on this relationship and they want to offer stability to this relationship. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, and fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sag. As Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy, all energies is here, but lot of air energy and earth energy is here. So working on yourself, definitely after healing, your person will come towards you. definitely they will come, because it is very slow moving energy. They have emotions for you. King of Cups with Knight of Pentacles, yeah, they are coming back to you, but it is with slow, so you have to be patient. So this is the reading for you, Gemini. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Bye.